Brooklyn, welcome back. Today is exciting. This is adventure. Before we can even talk about this beast and what it can do, let's discuss the whole vibe. Opening this box feels aspirational. It feels Rolex Explorer-y. I mean, look at this packaging compared to the Explorer page on Rolex's website. They both just feel like adventure. The Rolex Explorer was created in celebration of the first summiting of Mount Everest. When you wear this watch, you feel a little bit like an explorer, like you could summit Everest. This is a huge part of the things we choose to buy and wear and how they make us feel. This Explorer tugs at the adventurer inside me and begs me to get out and do something. It tells me I can go summit my Everest. Here's the thing though. While I love this Rolex Explorer and it inspires me to be something more, it isn't actually going to be able to help me accomplish that. Cue in Apple Watch Ultra. Unboxing this, just holding it, putting it on, it screams at you to go. Go anywhere, explore. While these two are completely different tools and very aesthetically different watches, what they aspire to be and who they inspire me to be are actually quite similar. Where the Apple Watch Ultra differs is in its ability to actually help me accomplish those things. Wayfinder, compass, altimeter, depth gauge sensor, heart rate monitor, GPS, and the list goes on and on. These tools all built into this little wrist computer. That's absolutely crazy. While no tool can magically make you into something you're not, this Apple Watch Ultra can help you become something, someone, more than you are. The regular Apple Watch is actually already really good at this. You can exercise and train, even squeeze enough battery life to maybe last a whole marathon, but definitely not an Ironman. And we just stumbled on what I feel is the biggest difference between Apple Watch and Ultra. It's just extra. Running a marathon is crazy. An Ironman though, that's Ultra. Swimming or snorkeling, fun, adventurous, scuba diving, that's Ultra. Finally, Ultra adventurers have an Apple Watch that is up to the task. So we're gonna talk more about these adventures and capabilities in a future video. So you know what you're supposed to do. Hit that like button and subscribe so you can be alerted when those videos come out. But right now, let's talk about some of those things. First of all, you do not need to be an ultra adventurer to appreciate a lot of these extras that the Ultra watch gives you. I will say the standard Apple Watch is enough for me in almost all situations I use it for, but would I complain about twice the battery life? No way. And that's what you're getting with Ultra. Up from the standard 18 hours of battery life, you get 36 hours with the Ultra. That's crazy. Double is kind of the theme when talking about specs. You also get double the water resistance, up from 50 meters now to 100 meters with Ultra. Double the screen brightness. It goes from already bright 1000 nits up to 2000 nits. Doubling all these features does come at the expensive size. The Apple Watch Ultra is an adventure sized at 49 millimeters. But if you are into watches, I'd say that 49 millimeters isn't exactly how it wears. I'd compare it more similarly to wearing like a 42 or 43 millimeter watch. It does have a very similar feel as wearing the Tudor Pelagos watch, the ultimate mechanical dive watch. Comparing sizing to the other watches though, I have felt that the current model of Apple Watch has already gotten a little almost too big. I wear the 41 millimeter, and sometimes I wish that Apple would go back to the 38. So for me, the bigger 45 millimeter watch is too big, bigger than I feel comfortable in at least. And that leads us into something interesting with Ultra. I actually don't mind the size as much. There's something I would say mentally different about the Ultra because I know the power and the intention behind it. The Ultra doesn't feel as out of place on my wrist. Don't get me wrong, it's big. But it feels big with a purpose. While bigger than I would normally wear, I don't think it looks too crazy or dumb on smaller wrists. To me, it looks like adventure. In a second, I'll take off my watch and show you guys it actually on my wrist because that does look crazy. One of the things helping is this titanium case. it's built out of. Titanium for watches is really great. It's tough, but it's also light. And that's why this beast of the Pelagos here is also built out of titanium. There's just something about the ruggedness while also being lightweight that makes it feel fine. Even on my small wrist, normal even. My first impressions though are that the Ultra feels right at home. This is like, without a doubt, probably the classiest, nicest digital adventure watch around. If you're an adventurer that likes the Apple Watch but wanted more, this may be the exact watch you've been waiting for. But that doesn't mean this is exclusively for what did I do? But that doesn't mean this is exclusively for hardcore adventurers only. From double the battery life to brighter display, there's a lot to be excited about for everyday life adventures. I wouldn't say this watch is exclusively for divers, triathletes, and mountain climbers. That's not me. But there's something insanely cool about putting this on and thinking, you know what? I could be. Thanks, guys. See you real soon. Bones.